This is our bearing retainer, and it also acts as a runner for the oil seal to run on as well. Well, that's interesting. The piece of scrap material is half a pin of some description in it. Never mind. Let's see if I can get that out. Yeah, oh well, that's the trouble when you make stuff out of scrap steel, you don't know what you're going to find. That's better. Yeah, well, that won't hurt anything. Oh, hang on. Depends where the lip of the seal. I bet you the lip of the seal will interfere with that. It'll cut the shit out of the seal. There's another pin there as well. Okay, I might make another one. .46 to come off. Let me just... I'll just say .46 to come off. Yeah, I did. Oh, you fucking dopey bastard. Oh, geez, that's a carton. Imperial micrometer. I must be getting bloody old or going stupid.